Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to properly put a CD into a laptop computer and or the desktop. And we're going to open up a CD that Goodway Documents has indexed and put it on an Excel sheet. We will try to look at different features and how-to and tips of opening stuff, searching for the file you're looking for, and what place you need to click. I'll also show you how to open up the folder and show you where the manual is. It's pretty simple. If you think you have it, you may want to go to the next video. Other than that, if you have questions, please leave a comment or in the discussion blog. I will be trying to make some of these type of videos for on-computer work. Necessarily, I won't be showing my face, but I will show you how I'll tell you how to do it. I'll show you where to go, and if you have any concerns or just you have preferences of how you would like the video to go, please tell me in the comments or whatever. Please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have a pleasant time looking at Silver Corrector's YouTube channel. I will get a little better at making these videos, hopefully. And yeah, this is brought to you by Goodway Document Service. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm going to use my laptop computer. Most of you will have a desktop computer, but I will show you how to open it up and up your laptop and put the CD in correctly. So on the side there's a button. Different makes may have different positions of the CD, like it'll be in the front or on the other side, but mine's on the right. Great place for right-handed people. Put the CD in. I'm going to bring it in so you can hear that click. Oh. Click. Then you know it's on. Put it in, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, so I am loading up the computer, well, the CD I mean. It's letting itself search its contents and all that stuff. So if you look over here, it says open folder to view files. You click that. And you double click that. Make sure it's the left click on the mouse. There is also another way you can get into it if you have an older computer, which is going to your computer icon. My computer icon is a PDA, but it represents the same thing. And then just clicking into the DVD RW drive, which is the D drive, and going through there, and it'll show up as the same way. So, whoops. We're going to go into the D drive, and there is three things. There is the index, which it'll with the Excel labeled as demo indexing. That is usually called index master and then the town or the job we're doing. The folders, like this right here, it's keeping all the images in there, and so all we have to do is link it to there. But before we get to that, I'm going to go over the index manual. So if I click in there, now this is all with Microsoft. So if you have a Mac, please comment if you do. A Mac will not read all this as well. Well, it won't read it as well as a Dell desktop. And so it'll be all jumbled up. And a good way, we try to know ahead of time what type of computer the client has. And most of the time it's HP or Dell, and they both work under Windows and Microsoft. So, but what we have here is the Goodway Document Services Index Manual. Now this is going over all the stuff, or not the stuff, but the basic questions that we thought that you would want as far as the help system to get when you get your stuff indexed. We, like right here it says that will either corrupt, okay, this utility may not be suitable for every computer. To make sure there are no difficulties, please leave all information on the disk. Do not download or save information on the computer. So that means with this CD or your index CD, you put it in, you read it off the CD, and you take it out. You don't put it on the computer. That will either corrupt the information on the disk or download unthinkable memory to the desktop by overflowing the computer. This Excel spreadsheet is saved as the 97 through 2003 under Microsoft, meaning it will work for most computers. If you have an Apple, blah blah blah, it may not work. The 97 through 2003, we like to put it on that file type because with Windows 7, you're able to open it up. With Windows 8, though, it's kind of unquestionable since it's basically a prototype. Though people will disagree with me on that. It is a prototype. But it was made to do that, to put how we put 97 to 2003 for clerks that have older computers that do not let go of their computers that easy. It also is compatible with Vista, and it is compatible with 98, since it's within 97 in 2003. If you have any problems, please call this number 802-888-7669, or you can call 802-760-0350, and they will give you some assistance. That's a typo there. It's actually supposed to be $1.35, not $25. But if you have any questions, we will also update all of this to suit the question that was asked, and we will also broadcast the video on our YouTube channel. So we'll get to the indexing. Okay, cancel. Yeah, it does this sometimes, but it's because I'm using a Windows 7 and I'm not on XP, so that's why it's asking me all that stuff. So I'm going to go into the Excel demo, the demo indexing document program. You double click it, and alright, so right here, as you see, there's, well, what I did is I indexed my classes with all my classwork from Castleton State College, which I'm still attending to. So let's go. So I tried to get the indexing to the closest scenario as possible. Of course, for like town clerks, you guys will have like your map numbers, your book numbers, your pages, basically your Excel will look different from this, and you'll have a lot more columns that will be filled, while I only have column A, B, and C. But it works the same way. Let's just say like the semesters will act as the book, right, of your land records. And then the B column will act as your pages, or better yet, the person that asked for the mortgage or a tax information on the land record. So semester, your volume number, class would be the person who's asking for it, and let's say it was this so-and-so person, and so all you have to do is click into the link, which it will show up either with blue or purple. That you will know it's a link. Also, if you see the mouse, there is this cross thing. If you hover it like out of the link area, but once you go into the linked icon or wording, it has a hand pointing at thing. So that will tell you if you're on the link or not. So you double click it. So for me, I had all my classes in as the pictures, or not images, sorry, not pictures. So if I go to, okay, so let's go back to our scenario. The guy wanted to get his his mortgages, or get a copy of his mortgage of his house. So you bring up the image, and you have page 1, page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2, and page 3. So all you have to do is double left click, sorry. And you can pull them up and print them out. As far as maps go, the more information we get, the best you can get closer to what you're looking for. So like if you go by the parcel numbers, it would be great if you could also mention it to Google Documents that you guys do parcel numbers, and if you go by parcel numbers, it's that's what you would want it to be categorized. As far as this, I categorized it as semester before I went to classes. I could have went the other way and went with classes alphabetized versus having all the semesters fall through. So what I'm saying is, if you go by the parcel number, you can we can sort them so that the parcel numbers will start from 1 to like 800. We can also alphabetize the clients' names, or not the clients, but the people that come in to ask for the documents or a copy, or if an attorney comes in and are looking for something that they are wanting, and so on. We can link it to your best advantages. So the next thing I want to show you is the find and search program. Now, for both the oldest Excel spreadsheet to the newest Excel spreadsheet, they're basically the same. Find and select is a very useful tool. And what I'll do, all you have to do is go to find, and then type in whatever you're trying to look for. So I'm going to put in touchstones, sorry. And I'm going to say find all. And right there it found two things, both indicating the top one is the actual cell that says touchstones, and then the demo indexing that has the link with it. So all you have to do is click in that has, okay, let's do a different character. So let's put in management, and I'll show you what I mean. If you look right here, there's management, but I'm not going to click on it. Instead, I'm going to put management into the find what, and then click find all. And see how this box went directly to management? That is how you would find the cell that has, or the column that has the information you're looking for. So if you put in the person's full name, it should go directly there. If you put in the parcel number, it will, with the parcel number, it'll have a full list of parcel numbers, but that's better than looking through 200 cells of a Excel sheet. What we're going to do with Google Document Service is making a program so that the clients can search all their stuff easier and more organized, and it can lock itself up. Well, not lock itself up, but it would be secured so not everybody can go into it. This program will be based kind of like this, but I will post a video of the new program that we will be using. This is Silver Corrector producing videos from Google Document Service. If you have any questions or anything that you want to comment on below, and